How to recover deleted drafts on Instagram. Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily recover your deleted drafts on Instagram. But before we do that, make sure to hit the like button below and subscribe to the channel. So let's begin. First thing first, you're gonna have to simply go ahead and open up your Instagram and then tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. So if you have deleted your drafts accidentally and you do not know how to recover it, then first thing you do is tap on the three lines at the top right. Then you're going to head over to your account center. Once you land on your account center page, tap on your information and permissions. So you're going to have to request your information and download it, which will also include your story drafts that has been deleted. Make sure you do this within 30 days because after 30 days, all of your information will be deleted. Tap on download your information, and from here you will have to request a download. And once you request your download, you'll have this option that says download, so you'll be able to download your information from here. Tap on download and transfer, choose your Instagram account, tap on next, and then from here tap on all available information and create a file to your device. Tap on download to device and then tap on create files. And once you do that, your request will be submitted, and once the request is done, you will have this download option. So you can just tap on download and you should get all of your deleted drafts on your file. I hope this was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next video.